Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Farooq Ahmad. This is lecture series about linear algebra, mathematics 229, 241 and 242 from College of Science, Mathematics Department, Majmaah University, Al Zulfi, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Today we are going to record lecture number 5, and the topic is how to analyze system of linear equations. For example, we are using here only two linear equations for simplicity, and we have used for the reference linear algebra publisher Sham series, YouTube videos and Khan Academy lectures in our total series. So these references are very important because students can directly consult also from the YouTube or Khan Academy's lectures. These are very initial and important. We are considering two linear equations, x plus 4y is equal to 100 and x plus 4y is equal to 120. We are going to analyze whether the solution of these equations exist or not. This is very simple, but we have to check before going to our lectures. Now we can change from variable from one side to another side. In first equation y is equal to minus 1 by 4x plus 100, and in the second equation y is equal to minus 1 by 4x plus 120. This is a change of variable from one side to another side in both the equations, and we are looking at these equations that from both the sides y is equal to minus 1 by 4x plus 100 and y is equal to minus 1 by 4x plus 120. Both are equal to y, so both must equal to each other because both are equal to y. This is very simple. So the other equation, the value of y is going to be right here, minus 1 by 4x plus 120. These are equal, and we can check on the both sides. Minus 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4x are equal and can be cancelled out with each other, and the result will be very simple, 100 plus 120. We are going to cancel out properly from one side to another side, and these are 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4x will be cancelled out either this way or that way, and 100 is equal to 120 because these are equal. So we are going to cancel out these terms with variable, and so 100 is 120. As this is impossible that 100 is equal to 120, so the result of these equations will not be possible, and there is no value of any x or y that can satisfy both the equations at a time. So we have analyzed these type of linear equations that they have no solution, and we have analyzed why they have no solution. We are going to check again what is the actual position in graphical form. We can draw the graph. No solution at all for these equations, and no value of x and y can satisfy both the equations at a time. So we are going to draw the graph of linear equation first and linear equation second. Minus 1 by 4 is the slope of the linear equation represents a linear line, a straight line in the graph, and so in both the cases both the straight lines have slopes minus 1 by 4, and these can be drawn, and 100 and 120 are the y intercepts, and so 100 is y intercept and 120 is y intercept, and one equation is passing through this point and the other equation is passing from 120, and both the equations have the same slope, so both the equations are parallel and they can pass to each other. They cannot intersect to each other, only they are going to be parallel throughout. from initial to final stage, and there is no point of intersection. And the solution of these linear equation actually is the point of intersection of these two linear equations, straight lines. And linear equations, solution of linear equations actually is the intersection point of these two straight lines. The first equation is represented by this red equation, red straight line, and the second equation is represented by this line passing through this point, but both have same slope, minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So the straight lines are parallel and they cannot intersect each other at any point, so there is no solution of these equations. This is we have analyzed why the equations have no solution, or why the solutions have solution, why the two equations have solution and why they have no solution. So we have analyzed graphically by drawing the simple graph of two straight lines, because these are linear equations, so they represent always straight lines, and these straight lines can be shown on the graph, and we have very clearly, like a railway line, they never intersect each other, going straight, and there is no intersection point, there is no solution point actually of these two linear equations.